The Alliance for Genomic Discovery is the largest data set of its kind. The whole genome sequencing of 250,000 subjects linked to a de-identified version of their electronic medical record.
What diseases people have, what drugs they take, what bad effects those drugs have, what good effects those drugs have, whether they get complications or not. All those things are in the electronic medical record.
If the patient has consented, we extract DNA from the leftover blood. After patients get a clinical blood draw and store that so that we can do future genetic investigations on that DNA.
A lot of biobanks out there have repositories of DNA that's oftentimes just a snapshot in time.
The quality of information is well beyond what you would get from, say, self-reported information. They really just ask patients what diseases they've had. Patients forget about some things, forget about that knee surgery they had. But also, you'd be surprised at how many people think they have that disease when they don't.
Historically, a lot of data has been fairly specific to European ancestry. What's different about AGD is that it's incredibly diverse in age, ethnicity, gender. It is truly representative of a global population.
The Alliance for Genomic Discovery allows us to really begin to understand how rare variants influence disease and health.
From the perspective of the pharmaceutical companies, they have a unique opportunity to understand the full spectrum of phenotypic consequences for a given rare variant that has a big effect. And that means also the opportunity sometimes to see adverse potential effects of drugs that they may be considering.
We want this to be a pre-competitive space for the Alliance participants to bring together top-tier, world-class organizations to empower better scientific research.
What we've established in the field of human genetics over the last decade plus is that sharing data is a good thing.
Collaboration gets us all much further, much faster than competition.
If we look 5 years, 10 years in the future, if we can draw some level of correlation that building out this unique data set has led to improve the life of even a single individual, that would be in and of itself incredibly meaningful.